Morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when and where you're viewing this. My name is Mike. I am the Crypto Liberal. Thanks for joining me again today. It's going to be a short video. Short video. It's Sunday. We don't need a long video. We're only doing a video today to maybe talk about what I expect for Bitcoin this week, and how maybe how ADA is crushing it right now. You know, I told you ADA was going to catch up to Bitcoin or to Ethereum. Ethereum made a huge run. We took profits. Watch my prior videos for the past few days. Follow me on crypto Twitter because I told you about when I was going to take profits on our Ethereum trade that we made 45% on versus Bitcoin. You know, follow me on Twitter at crypto_liberal. And so we'll talk about a little bit of Bitcoin, a little bit of Ethereum, a little bit of ADA maybe. And well, that'll be it. And we'll do it quick. Follow me on Twitter at crypto_liberal. And if anything sounds good to you, give me a like, give me a subscribe, because we need to get the message out there. People are still Bitcoin maxis, and we're crushing it. We're 5 for 5 on our trades on alts, all of them winning versus Bitcoin. Can't make that up. We're killing it on this channel. So let's start with Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin is, I told you the blue line is going to be our support. Look at how we're bouncing off that blue line perfectly the past 3 days, right? We bounced off of it perfectly. Told you the red line is resistance. You know, I've had these lines on here for months at this point, and look at, we wicked right up to that red line and got rejected. I mean, I drew these lines way before we hit them, and that's acting as perfect support and resistance. So I told you yesterday, I think it's 50-50 whether we're going to break the red line first or the blue line first. And they're converging fast. So whatever happens, that's how we're going to play it. That's how we're going to play Bitcoin. Again, I'm not going to get excited about Bitcoin until we get above that red line, hold it for a week or 2 weeks or a month, whatever it is, come back down and test that red line that is resistance and prove that it's acting as support. Only then can you get excited about Bitcoin. And actually, I say it's 50-50 whether they're going to break the blue line support first or the red line resistance first. Actually, I'm leaning more. I said 51.49, we're going to break the blue line first. Now I'm leaning 52.48, we're going to break the blue line first. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But that's it for Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin isn't that exciting. What is exciting, right, is ETH. ETH is, I want to keep track of this for the channel because, we took profits. Look at that. I mean, we couldn't have played this better. I told you down here that ETH was going to turn positive against Bitcoin after, we went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 out of 11 weeks were red. And at the bottom of that 11th week, right, I told you, hey, I'm moving from Bitcoin into Ethereum. I couldn't have told you at a better point, right? I mean, Ethereum was negative versus Bitcoin for 10 out of 11 weeks. And then I brought it to the channel and I said, hey, you might want to get into Bitcoin. And I made a special video on a Sunday night and I said, I'm moving out of Bitcoin into ADA and Ethereum. And ever since then, 10 out of 11 weeks red. Ever since then, I think it's been 7 out of 8 or 8 out of 9 weeks green. I mean, I told you at the perfect point, and we made a 45% return. So again, what I'm looking for now on Ethereum is one of two things, right? Either we break above this blue line, which was always my target. When I entered that trade, that upper blue line was my target, which would have been about a 48% return. I took a profit at 45%. If we break that blue line, that upper blue line, get above the blue line and come back down and test it as support, then maybe it's time to get into Ethereum again because Ethereum is going to fly versus Bitcoin. That happened back here, right? Look at all the times that blue line served as resistance. We broke it, came back down and tested it as support. It didn't hold, right? It didn't hold. So that's what we're looking for. Otherwise, what I think is likely to happen is, right, maybe we come up and do touch this blue line. I still think there's room for upside here. I just wanted to make sure I locked in my profits. Lock in your profits. That's something I think everybody should do. If you get near your target, lock them in, right? I can't lose on the trade now. I'm up 45% versus Bitcoin. So I think there's still upside. I still think we can go to this blue line, but I think we'll get rejected. And maybe come back down and visit this red line. I don't know, maybe over here or, in November or something. Eventually, or what I expect to happen is this blue line, this upper blue line does break and we do skyrocket. And That's exactly what I've been telling you for 14 weeks. I've been doing this channel for 14 weeks, and I've been consistent since day one. I've been telling you, any new money, right, dollar cost averaging into ADA will outperform any new money put into Ethereum and Bitcoin. And any new money put into Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin by the end of the year, a year from now, and 5 years from now. Well, we set out to prove that hypothesis by dollar cost averaging $100 each week into all three of those cryptos. And we're gathering evidence, right? Which one's performing better, right? We've done it for 13 weeks. We put $100 into each week. So we put $1,300. Well, how's that portfolio looking? Well, here, proof positive. ADA is outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum is outperforming both ADA and Bitcoin. So already my hypothesis is correct. And it's not even the end of the year yet. And ADA is starting to catch up. I told you, ETH made the big move, but I told you ADA is going to catch up. Look at ADA crushing it today. ADA will crush Bitcoin the rest of the year. ADA will crush Ethereum and Bitcoin the rest of the year, in my opinion, right? I told you these moves were going to happen. And we were just dollar cost averaging in. I told you they were going to happen by the end of the year. It's already happened for Ethereum. Ethereum is crushing Bitcoin. ADA will catch up. I've been telling you that. We have 5 months left in the year. Vassal is still yet to be released. Merge for Ethereum is still yet to be released. When those things happen, it's move time, right? And the money, if you want to stack sats or if you want to stack dollar bills, the money is to be made in the alts like Ethereum, like ADA, like Matic, like Polkadot, like Aave. All 5 charts I brought to this channel, all 5 charts are beating Bitcoin right now. All 5 of them are beating Bitcoin since I brought them to this channel. We are perfect on our trades on this channel. Where else can you get that? Anywhere on crypto Twitter and crypto YouTube. Go back and watch my prior videos. Every time I brought a chart to this channel, it was at or very near a bottom. And every single chart I brought to this channel is up versus Bitcoin. You can't make it up. It's perfect. And on top of that, our Bitcoin analysis is proving remarkably accurate, hitting resistance and getting rejected, hitting support and getting supported. I mean, we're nailing it. We're nailing it on this channel. So today is the 14th week. We're dollar cost averaging again. We're collecting more data to prove our hypothesis. So we're going to dollar cost average into those 3 again today. And this is what we're doing, right? So we're going to put $100 into Bitcoin at $23,348.76, $100 into Ethereum at $1,722.32, and $100 into Cardano at 0.5367 cents. Okay? So follow me on Twitter. I will post how much we're getting in each of those cryptos on Twitter at crypto_liberal. Follow me there. I will continue to monitor these on this channel, right? I hope, please help me get the message out there, because why shouldn't more people learn about these trades? Why shouldn't more people know about alts? So many people are just, they get into crypto and all they hear is Bitcoin, right? And that's not where you're going to make money in by the end of the year, a year from now, and 5 years from now. And I've been telling you on this channel since day one for 14 weeks. I've only been doing this channel for 14 weeks, and pretty much everything I've said has happened. I was wrong about the initial support before Terra Luna ruined everything, right? But still, when crypto turns around, and it will, ADA and Ethereum will crush Bitcoin, and those other coins that I brought up on this channel will also beat Bitcoin. So help me get the message out there. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you're updated, or you're aware of when I'm putting out new videos, announcing new trades, or bringing new charts to the channel. That's all I have for today. I hope you're having a great weekend. Hope you're having some good times with your family and friends. My name is Mike. Peace and love to all of you. I am the Crypto Liberal. Good night.